Myself Hima Vijayan, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication, ACE College of Engineering, Thiruvananthapuram. Nanotechnology. It refers to the branch of science and engineering devoted to designing, producing and using structures, devices and systems by manipulating atoms and molecules at nanoscale. It is an emerging science which is expected to have rapid and strong future developments, which is predicted to contribute significantly to economic growth. It is managing matter at very small scale. Some nano-engineered gadgets. This is Morph. Morph demonstrates how future mobile devices might be stretchable and flexible, allowing the user to transform their mobile devices into radically different shapes. It demonstrates the ultimate functionality that the nanotechnology might be capable of delivering: flexible materials, transparent electronics, and self-cleaning surfaces. This is nanobubble water. Now, nanobubbles are nanoscopic gaseous, typically air cavities in aqueous solutions that have the ability to change the normal characteristics of water. Nanobubble water technology allows both freshwater and saltwater fish to live in the same water. Now, coming to the medical side, this is nanosensor probe. A nano needle with a tip about 1,000th the size of human hair pokes a living cell, causing it to cure briefly. Once it is withdrawn from the cell, this nanosensor detects the signs of early DNA damage that can lead to cancer. Now, coming to textile technology, wrinkle-resistant nanotechnology fabrics. Nanotechnology has an impact on textile industry also. Here, nano titanium dioxide and nano silica are used to improve the wrinkle resistance of cotton and silk. Self-energy converting sunglasses. These multifunctional sunglasses come with a disolar cell used with nanotechnology lenses that turn sun rays into electrical energy, which is good enough to power all sorts of small gadgets. Again, coming to medical side, this is color shifting contact lenses. Diabetic patients are saddled with the inevitable task of checking their blood sugar levels constantly, but a new non-invasive technology lets the diabetic patients keep tabs on their glucose level with contact lenses that change colors as their blood sugar rises and falls. So, this is Pebble Smartstick Charger. You never know when your battery will need a backup. This Pebble Smartstick Charger is lightweight and small emergency battery pack charger, very useful gadget, especially when you are away from the main power supply. Moreover, this portable charger will charge your mobile devices that use mini or micro USB on the go. Finally, new technology standard could shape the future of electronic design.